AI is a hot topic right now for any software company serving enterprise and B2B. And I think the large language models and the generative text systems are at a place that seems like they can can be sort of commercially available. I think the question then becomes, what makes it valuable, and what are valuable use cases. And I think the answer to that is anytime you can make people more efficient and can be more helpful in terms of getting the job done. And I think the valuable AI and just generally, but of course then applies to CX is when you have unique data that's proprietary data, or you have to have some kind of knowledge beyond the general web knowledge these are trained on. To be valuable, you have to have metadata from journeys and insights into basically automations and proprietary workflows that the LLMs can be tied to produce unique and specific insights. Otherwise, it's not much different than how Bing is incorporated into the search engine. And so again, I think to sort of summarize, you have to have unique sector segment, company, enterprise specific knowledge and a knowledge management system to feed it, and you have to have workflows and automations that can provide further insight and become surfaces by which you can expose it.
Yeah, I would agree. And I think so taking what Chip just described and saying, so how does that work? Say, if I'm in a commercial bank, how do I think about AI in the terms of customer experience delivery, right? And rather than sort of, hey, I'm going to have a machine learning model write a solution for a client, right? That we're not there yet, and I don't think, quite frankly, should we be. It's more along the lines of, I've got an AI model that's tuned to a vast trove, and this is true in every single commercial bank, a vast trove of product and solution knowledge that is difficult to access, super dense, gets super complex as soon as I'm out of deposits and lending. And I'm putting CX professionals on the front lines. Oh, and often those solutions are provided by partners. So it's not even my institution that's providing it. I need their knowledge. And I'm putting a CX professional on the front lines trying to help a commercial client go live on a solution or solve a problem. And here's this dense, Alexandria library of scrolls. Good luck finding the answer to the question. Well, so what AI does in that context is, I'm going to look at, who are you as a customer? What product suite do you have? What journey are you trying to accomplish? What journey are you on? What step are you in? It's the last interaction conversation we had. Look at the intent in your discussion with me, right, through chat or other modes. And the AI engine goes, okay, I think I can see what it is that you're trying to solve for. These are the 3 paragraphs out of that entire 10,000 volume library that are going to help you in this moment. Right? That is where we've seen it massively beneficial, right? Or, I'm orchestrating a journey, I'm building that in a visual builder, and, I'm putting in a step, and the AI model goes, hey, kind of like a coach, this tends to go better if you do it here, not there, right? So it's machines plus people, right? As opposed to, sort of machines replacing people. It's very much a facilitator and enhancer, and a large part of the benefit we've seen is managing knowledge, right? I don't want you as an individual to try to be up to speed on 14 different products that change every time we make a release. I want you to be great at interacting with customers. I'll bring you the answers you need.
Yeah, I think that's right. It's about, knowledge delivery, which means, getting the right information to the right person at the right time and context. And, the AI tools are making that even better for CX professionals.